Hickman Creations, a fantastic auto restoration muscle car and anything shop. So what do you think this old Sinclair dinosaur could be staring at? Maybe it's looking at this row of fantastic engines. Or maybe it was looking at the Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds, the movie car. In this video, we are going to kneel to the gods of fantastic automobiles. Okay, that may be a little blasphemous, but that's what we're going to do. We're going to look at this beautiful red Corvette created by Hickman Creations. Hey, hello, how are you? Welcome to Road Odyssey. I am Bert. Hope you're having a great day. Please subscribe down below. I would appreciate that very much. And I'm here at Hickman Creations, Gunter, Texas. A wonderful, wonderful top of the tier restoration, muscle car, everything car, all kinds of cars, all kinds of wonderful stuff here. So let's go up front to the main office and look around there, and then we'll go inside the garage and take a look around. But I got to tell you, there's one main reason why I'm here, and that is to see a 1958 Corvette that is valued at over $400,000, and it just might be worth $500,000. Came out of this shop. So let's begin by looking around. Here we go. You can easily find Hickman Creations on your cell phone, but rather than doing that, let's look at the big map from Google Maps, get the overlay on there, and you can see Hickman Creations is just north of McKinney, south of Sherman on 289. Zooming in, you can see it is in the crosshairs of FM 121 and 289 Preston Road. Zooming in further still, it is on the west side of 289 FM 121, also known as Maine. You can't miss this place. Just drive it and find it. Let's begin by being polite and pulling up front. Now, you'll see the big building in the back, but there's the main office right up front where my little white GR86 is. So let's walk up to the front door and go inside and say hello. Now this is Father Randy and Mother Michelle, two fantastic people, and this is their lobby. It is very accommodating. And another quick shot of Randy Hickman. Importantly, this is Keith Hickman. He is the owner of Hickman Creations, the primary designer and paint specialist. This is Brandon Hickman, who has worked very hard with his brother to establish this great company. Keith started Hickman Creations in 2014. Now that I've got all the introductions and lovey-dovey stuff out of the way, let's look at what's outside. Now, when I pulled up recently, we had these nice Mustangs for sale. And you know what? Let's take a listen to this Mach 1. No matter when you go to Hickman Creations, you will always get some eye candy sitting out front of the building. As I have implied, when you go to Hickman Creations, you never know what's going to be behind the next door. Just like this Eleanor movie car from Gone in 60 Seconds. Scanning around further, you will see bay after bay of fantastic cars being worked on. And you know what? We love America here. This is a fantastic place. You can go out to Wikipedia and learn a little bit about this Well, theoretically, custom 1967 Mustang fastback Eleanor from the 2000 movie Gone in 60 Seconds. This was the film's feature car, a DuPont Pepper Gray 1967 Ford Mustang fastback, depicted as a Shelby GT 500, a custom body kit designed by Steve Stanford. I was told by the Hickmans that they thought this car was car number 19 of 20 that were produced. I also understand from the Hickmans that Chip Foose ultimately really designed this car, and his signature is on the dashboard, big and bold. From Wikipedia, they claim that very, very few, 3-4 of these cars were offered to the public with claims of originality and screen use in the film. So this car is a very, very rare car, worth anywhere from several hundreds of thousands to, well beyond that. This car really looks good. You know what? Let's take a listen and see how it sounds. We'll see if it pops my eardrums.
No, it's not that loud.
Oh.
It sounds exactly like the movie.
That's cool. I can appreciate that. Can notice some gaps primarily in that trunk lid and around the bumper a little bit, but it's a movie car. That sort of thing is not terribly important. This particular Eleanor does have mileage on it. I believe they said about 25,000 miles. And it has also participated in the Power Tour event. It definitely has some get up and go. After some photo shoots with 3 of the cars, I followed the Eleanor back to Hickman Creations and just got these couple of clips. Quick, wait, what's that little red car there? There was a special delivery by the Mecum Auctions truck. Keith Hickman, well, not so quickly, but very delicately got into this interesting little red Corvette and got it started up and pulled it out. This is called My Little Fuelie. It is a rare 1958 Corvette, quote-unquote, Fuelie that Keith Hickman found sitting in a shop in southern Louisiana. They decided to bring it back to Texas and build the ultimate fantastic RESTOMOD. Not only is this just kind of a rare car to begin with, being a 58 Corvette, it is further rare because these original Fuelie cars, well, there were only 500 of these made. When you walk up to the car, it unlocks. When you walk away from the car, it locks automatically. of my Little Fuelie also simulates the same design as the front passenger's dash. The platform of this car is a new Art Morrison GT Sport chassis with the iconic first generation Corvette body widened 3 inches at the rear to accommodate the new independent rear suspension setup and its wider footprint. Holley Performance provided the Sniper EFI. It also has a DeWitt's radiator. With that power plant comes a Supermatic 4L75E automatic transmission. The power plant of this monstrous little car is a Chevy Performance LS7 producing over 550 horsepower. Alongside that comes the Hooker Shorty headers and polished stainless steel exhaust system, including Borla racing mufflers, delivering maximum performance with that classic Borla sound. This is a Spark Industries custom steering wheel, and behind it, Dakota Digital HDX gauges. And throughout the interior and the trunk space, there is LED lighting that really highlights all of this great hand-stitched leather upholstery work. You're looking at custom upholstery, handcrafted metalwork, and high-tech modern features and amenities. Behind the seats, under the rear cover, are 2 compartments containing the car battery and the electronics. In my opinion, showing this Corvette going past the U.S. flag and the fire truck was amazing. I love this shot. Here, Keith is setting up the car for the first round of photo shoots. From this point forward, witness yourself the #1 first generation Corvette from 1958, restored by Hickman Creations, exemplifying the best ultimate Corvette from this generation in the whole U.S., possibly bringing, with today's value, over 450, over 500, maybe up to $1 million. This car is seriously phenomenal. You can see it from the photographs, and you are up close and personal with it. that'll do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Hickman Creations, Gunter, Texas. This is a top tier restoration shop. You really need to pay attention to this place. They are moving up in the world like crazy. So I hope you enjoyed everything that I've provided for you in this video and all the really cool things that I could find for you at this moment. And so I guess with that, relax, take it easy, and I will see you later. Bye.
Finally, this is the last time I have to polish the car.